advisory in effect from midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Wednesday. What? Snow expected. Total snow accumulations of around an inch. Where? Portions of central and southwest Missouri. When? From midnight tonight to noon Central Standard Time Wednesday. Most of the snow is expected to fall between 3 a.m. and 9 a.m. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions are expected to impact the morning commute. Additional details. Road temperatures will be below freezing, allowing snow to quickly accumulate, especially on untreated roads. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The current time